valuation is driven by 2 or 3 factors. The first factor is your timeline. So ये आपकी timeline है. This is time 0 and this is as per this is stage 0 and this is, let's say, stage 8 where you're profitable. ठीक है, तो एक element ये. So this is what we call our timeline. Second element क्या है? Second element is what is the size of your payoff. So there are some ideas that are going to do exceedingly well by the time they get to stage 8, right? So in dollar terms, this is the second scale. This is a lot of dollars and this is no dollars. Actually, you actually lose money, and somewhere in there is a $0, and then here there is maybe some dollars, and this is lots of dollars, right? So this is the second element. So in terms of dimensions, the first dimension is your timeline, which is this. Second dimension is your payout or your payoff, and I'll just put out payoff. Okay. There's a third timeline, and that timeline is probability. So what's the likelihood? So let's say this is 1 and this is 0, and somewhere in between is 0.5, right? So the third dimension is what's the probability? What's the likelihood that you will succeed? Right? And then there's a fourth and final dimension, and that dimension is credibility. And here maybe I'll just put in binary numbers, so 0 here and 1 here, and this to me is credibility.